Hey, welcome back. We got a quick little video for you guys. My wiper fluid hasn't been working. I tried refilling it. That didn't help out. I looked online and saw that it might be a blown fuse. So I got myself a new one and we are gonna go ahead and try it out. So here we go. So we're just gonna take this off. There you go. Okay, so here's your fuse box. And it's gonna be this one right here. Apparently, it is fuse box number 16. Grab some little pliers and pull it out. This is the fuse. So you can see that it's burned out. So yeah, from our assortment box, we're just gonna grab a new one. They had different ones in Amazon. I went with the sorter one just in case other ones decide to burn out. So this one again is the 10 amp micro, and we are gonna go ahead and place it back where it was. Just gonna make sure it's facing the right way. And push it in, boom. Now, we are gonna go ahead, get back in, turn the car, and hopefully that should work. Let's try it out. Press the button, and we got it. It worked. We did it. All right, just as easy as that. Replace the fuse, the 10 amp micro fuse. I'll put a description of the ones I bought for the assortment box down below from Amazon. That was roughly $5, maybe a little more actually. I think $8, but still super cheap fix, and now it works. And I hope if that's the issue for you guys, it works for you too. Thanks for watching. Peace.